What's up guys, Pop-Up101 here. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to make a gun for Blade&Sorcery U8.4 Beta 9 with a script written by Aya, partially edited by me, to allow the gun to actually shoot bullets with sound and particles. So let's get started. First off, you are going to want to make sure that your gun is made like a blunt weapon, hopefully with a gun model, so it can actually look like a gun that shoots bullets. After setting it up like a blunt weapon, you need to go into the item definition and take off the fly ref. After you've done that, scroll down to custom references, add in 3 of them. They need to be named exactly this: spawn point, bullet shot VFX, bullet shot SFX. Notice the capital S, capital P, capital S, capital VFX, capital S, and capital SFX. These all need to be named exactly like this, or the gun will not work in game. Once you've finished making your weapon and making sure that there is no fly ref, and that there are 3 custom references with these exact names, what you want to do is go into your weapon, right click, go to audio, audio source, rename it bullet shot SFX. Turn off player and awake because you don't want the sound to play as soon as the bullet is spawned in game, because the script already takes care of that. Now you want to add in whatever sound you want. So for me, I want my pistol sound. It will sound like this every time the gun is shot. After you've added in the sound, you go to the weapon, you right click, you go to effects, particle system. This is the particles that will spawn every time the gun is shot. So one thing I will do is add in the VFX from my previous Glock so that the tutorial does not take as long. But every time the gun is shot, it will make the pistol sound and these particles will spawn. Once you have added in your sound effects and your visual effects, you want to go into your weapon, create an empty, and rename it spawn point. Now this is the reference of the barrel where the bullet will spawn out of. Now you want to make sure that when adding this to the gun, the red arrow is facing outwards, the blue arrow is facing down, and the green arrow is facing left. The final step is to go back into your item definition, drag in your spawn point to the spawn point, your bullet shot VFX to bullet shot VFX, and your bullet shot SFX to bullet shot SFX. And with that, you're finished. Now you have your gun that will work in game, shoot based on the spawn point, have particles spawn based on the VFX, and a sound spawn based on the SFX. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I make modding tutorials for Blade&Sorcery 5 to 6 times a week, including near daily streams. Definitely make sure to check out my Patreon as well, which will be linked in the description, where I have many more tutorials, beta downloads, and Unity packages available. For example, I'm going to be putting this Glock in my Patreon where you can download it, and if it is a little bit difficult for you to follow this tutorial, you can easily download it, click the downloaded Glock Unity package with your Unity open. It opens in automatically. You hit import, which will open up in a window right here. Put it into your Unity and see how everything is set up. So with that, thank you for watching.